Do you want to lose weight but just can't seem to find a way that actually works? Well, look no further because we have the ultimate solution for you. Introducing Green Coffee Beans Max, the weight loss supplement that is taking the world by storm. In this video, we'll be giving you the ultimate guide to this miracle supplement. Hey guys, what's up? It's your Dr. Jeanin Vaping, back at it again with another video. In this one, we're going to be talking about something that has a lot of people talking, Green Coffee Beans Max. You've probably heard about it but may not know much about it. Well, don't worry because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be telling you all about the benefits of this supplement and how it can help you lose weight. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about what Green Coffee Beans Max actually is. Green Coffee Beans Max is a weight loss supplement made from unroasted coffee beans. These beans contain chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to help with weight loss. Unlike regular coffee beans, which are roasted and lose most of their beneficial properties, green coffee beans are left unroasted to ensure that the chlorogenic acid remains intact. Now that we've talked a little bit about what Green Coffee Beans Max is, let's talk about how it actually works. As I mentioned earlier, Green Coffee Beans Max contains chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to help with weight loss. Chlorogenic acid works by inhibiting the absorption of glucose in the body, which leads to a reduction in blood sugar levels. This, in turn, leads to a reduction in the amount of fat that is stored in the body, helping you lose weight. But that's not all. Chlorogenic acid has also been shown to boost metabolism and act as an appetite suppressant, making it easier for you to stick to your weight loss goals. Benefits. So, what are the benefits of using Green Coffee Beans Max? Well, first and foremost, it can help you lose weight. But that's not all. It has also been shown to improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and even reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Plus, because it acts as an appetite suppressant, it can help you stick to your diet and avoid snacking between meals. How to use it? Now that you know all about the benefits of Green Coffee Beans Max, let's talk about how to use it. The recommended dosage is 2 capsules per day, taken with meals. It's important to note that this supplement is not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise. For best results, be sure to maintain a healthy lifestyle while taking Green Coffee Beans Max. Success stories. Lastly, let's talk about some of the success stories surrounding Green Coffee Beans Max. Many people have reported significant weight loss results after using this supplement. Some have even reported losing up to 20 pounds in just a few months. Of course, the results will vary depending on your diet and exercise habits, but it's clear that Green Coffee Beans Max can make a real difference. So I hope you've got some questions. I'd love to hear from you. Please do leave your questions and comments below. Also be sure to share this video with your friends and someone that you know who will benefit from this information, and give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate all of those likes that you give me, and if you're new to this channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe. Also click that bell, so you're always notified of all of my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching.